Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I make this chicken stir fry. I found this recipe on TikTok and it was delicious. With this recipe though, you could use noodles instead of rice like I did. I do have a shrimp stir fry. I'm gonna show y'all next. But yeah, this is pretty easy, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch me make it.